This is my first time growing these asparagus beans. I think I let them get too long. Oh, on the seed packet it said, look like they have a green color, but they coming out with a burgundy color. But I read up on it say, once you cook them and steam them, they're gonna turn green. Somebody please let me know if I waited too long to harvest them, or are they supposed to get this long? Asparagus beans. And tell me about the color. Is that supposed to come out with that burgundy color, or were they supposed to come out green? Let me get ready to harvest these asparagus beans. Yes. Have some more asparagus beans growing here along with my squash. Okay, squash. Come on, squash. Got a lot of flowers blooming on them. Okay, asparagus beans. Here's my green beans and my yellow wax beans over here, but I don't see anything coming up yet. Come on now, where your beans at? Okay. Let me harvest these asparagus beans here. How long they gone. Okay, see some more back there. Let me get busy harvesting these asparagus beans. Okay, I have some bell peppers over here. I see you back there in the back, bell pepper. I see you. Come on, bell peppers. Come on, bell peppers. Got some okra over here. Some more bell peppers growing here. And look at my collards. Collard greens coming back. Come on, collard greens. Okay. Let me get this bell pepper here today. Okay, today's harvest. Asparagus beans, some bell peppers, jalapeno peppers, and one cucumber I left on too long. That's not going to be good to eat when they turn yellow like that. But this is the day's harvest from Big Mama's garden.